Just like with any vehicle, there will be some maintenance here and there. Every once in a while, the shredder's tracks will need to be retensioned so it can perform at its peak performance for you. To find the exact specs and requirements, reference your owner's manual. Now, there's two ways to know if you need to retension your tracks. 1. While the vehicle is lifted off the ground, there's more than an inch of space between the wheels and the track. Or 2. This one is a bit more obvious. The track is no longer on its wheels. To tension the track correctly, use a 12mm and 13mm wrench to loosen this mechanism as demonstrated. Once it's loose, loosen the jam nut. When that's done, there's a screw between the two that will physically tighten or loosen the track. To tighten the track, extend the tensioner. To loosen the tension of the track, retract the tensioner. To have the best ride, use the tensioner to tighten the track. Make sure you don't over-tighten it. You just need to tighten it enough to get rid of the slack. Any more and you'll be losing some power and performance. When you've got the track tensioned, do the first steps in reverse to get it all back together. Tighten the jam nut, then tighten the locking mechanism from before. Avoid over-tightening this too. You don't want to strip or damage any parts. Pretty quick and straightforward, and super important to keep your shredder ready to hit the trails with no problems.